we were runner-up in January, and today we were the champions, so we're really happy.
Do you have anything to say?
Ya, bisa juara di sini. Serasa seperti mimpi. Ya, Istora Senayan kali ini luar biasa. Ada lebih supporter. Kami cinta Indonesia, suka bermain di sini. Ya.
Terima kasih Matias. Dari rekan-rekan media ada yang bertanya? Baik, silakan Mas.
Winning a Super 1000 is amazing for us. Like it's been a big goal since we started playing many years ago. We've always been looking forward to try to win 1,000. So that's amazing.
Baik,
Do you have anything to add?
Yeah, I think we have won 100, 300, 500, 750, and now 1,000. So it's like a full palette. So we are very pleased with that. Karena kami capek lelah sudah di Asia 1 bulan, sangat kecil, sangat lelah sekarang. Minggu depan kami akan pergi ke Labuan Bajo untuk berlibur. We're really looking forward to that. Especially Alex is looking forward to some vacation. I think it's much needed.
Oke, selanjutnya oke.
Apa lagi?
How many languages can you speak?
Dengan Embassy Denmark saya ikut ISUM, belajar ISUM program dari Embassy Denmark, dan juga dengan guru dari Indonesia ya. Tapi saya tidak belajar sekarang, so I can only do a little bit now. Yeah.
How many languages do you speak?
Only Danish, English, and a little bit Indonesian.
Okay.
Oke.
Oke,
Ada
terima
tambahan?
kasih.
Mbak Margit terakhir di belakang.
Hello, Margit from Indian Times. You have like winning race this whole 4 weeks. Three win in Thailand, Singapore, and Indonesia. How do you keep your focus and stamina during the period of time? And how does it feel to win the Super 1000 here in Istora? And seems like you are a home player here in Istora. Thank you.
Yeah, obviously it feels amazing to win here in Istora, and also the 500 and the 750. And I think after every week we keep telling each other to go for one more week, and not telling each other that we are tired or anything. We just keep going with the momentum, and we believe so much in each other on the court. So we try to relax in that, and obviously we have a lot of confidence right now. So we keep on grinding in every match and keep fighting. And now we're standing with 3 titles, so that's amazing.
Oke, terima kasih.
Ya, kita buka.